Cool.
Getting upstairs, let the neighbors say and keep it.
What do you think about it? For taking it home tomorrow, but I doubt it.
What's that?
But back up a little bit. Stop. Move forward. Stop. Stop. Put in park. What happened?
Well, I don't know. Why?
Why did you have to go backwards and
I don't know. What's going on around here?
Can I have that?
Where's yours?
I'm not video.
Oh. You're supposed to be.
That home tomorrow. What do you think about it? But it's probably no.
It's no, because you have one. You have one that does the same thing.
What do you think about it? Because mine always stops by itself. It says 9 minutes and 37 seconds.
9 minutes and 37 seconds? We're at the famous Autec car wash in Flat Rock, Michigan, folks. On this 21st day of May.
We're gonna have that?
And what?
Can I have it?
Look at my mirror.
Can I? We'll see about taking it home tomorrow, but I doubt it.
It's absolutely no.
I want to because mine
No, Caleb, because
always stops.
no, Caleb.
And we'll see, but it's probably no.
It's no, because I have not had a camera because I've given you one, give your mom one, and now I want one. And I need one. I need a camera.
Look! Try to be careful.
Be very careful. Right?
We'll see, but I really doubt it for tomorrow,
Yeah.
for taking it home.
Yeah.
Will you think about it, but it's probably no.
It's no. It's no.
We'll
'Cause
see, but I
Daddy,
probably doubt it.
Daddy has to have it next week.
You said we'll see, but I really doubt it.
Yeah, we'll see, but I really doubt it. Okay.
What kind of how much megabytes now is that SD card?
That one's like mommy's. It has 64 gigabyte, 64 gigger.
Look, it's kind of heavy, is it?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
trying to hold it. Zoom in a little bit. Look, I just zoomed it.
Look at my mirror. You're gonna hold me a mirror, aren't Call me up here, Autec.
He still doesn't stop. Why are we allowed to get another wash areas?
But
But not even this one, no.
not even this one, no.
It'll be a Cyclone GT 5001.
The Cyclone?
Yeah. Yeah.
Where's that at?
Clearance
In Wayne?
7 feet 2 inches. It's in Flat Rock.
Oh, is it clearance?
There is 2 of them.
Is it 7 feet 3 inches?
2 of them. 7 feet 2 inches.
Oh, okay.
Do you know? No?
Yeah.
No accent say no. What does that mean?
It's kind of bouncing around. It's concrete bounce.
See, it's that one.
Okay.
They have $8 again. Do you?
Oh, I need a vacuum too.
No, you don't.
I do.
No, you don't. Look. It is enter only. Clearance is 7 feet 3 inches.
7 feet 3 inches?
Mm-hmm. They have $8 again.
Oh, I don't know.